Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about surface area, and we're going to be finding the surface area of this rectangular prism. Remember, surface area refers to how many squares it takes to cover a three-dimensional object with no gaps or overlaps. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into this. Remember, to find the area of a rectangle, we just do length times the width, because we have a lot of rectangles going on right here. So we're just going to simply find the area of each individual rectangle, and we're going to add it up. So let's start out with this right here. So we have a length of 17 yards, and we have a width of 14 yards. So 17 times 14 on our handy dandy calculator, 17 times 14, will give us our area of this front side of 238 yards squared. Now I'm going to go ahead and write that right here because we're going to have to add up all these areas together. Now if this side is 238 yards squared, that means the opposite side is actually exactly the same. So we can add up 238 twice. Now let's go ahead and find the other areas, and we'll add them up as well. Okay, so we have this rectangle right here that has a dimension. It's got a width of 4 yards, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by a length of 14 yards. See, this line is congruent with this line, so it's going to be 14 times 4. So let's do that on our calculator. 14 times 4 is 56. And that's the area of this side, but this side is also 56. So we can add up 56 twice. And now we're going to go ahead and find the area of the top of the box. So the top of the box is a 4 by 17. So we have a length of 17, and we have a width of 4. 17 times 4 gives us an area of 68. So it's going to be 68 yards squared up top, but it's also going to be 68 yards on the bottom. So we're going to add up 68 2 times. Now, all that's left to do is to add up all of these individual areas. Now, you've probably noticed that we could have used multiplication to shorten this so it wasn't so difficult, but I decided to show you the addition just because you can see this is the one side, this is another side, you know, this is the right side, that's the left side, that's the top, and then that's the bottom. Hopefully you're able to see that. But let's go ahead and add these up on our calculator. So we got 238 plus 238, then we add 56, then 56 again, then 68, and then 68 again. And we get a surface area of 724 yards squared. Now remember, areas are always squared because we're finding out how many squares it takes to cover a surface with no gaps or overlaps. And in surface area, it's just a three-dimensional surface, multiple surfaces. Anyways, I do hope that was helpful to you, and yeah, good luck.